So every day I log into my Trading 212 account, check my gains and losses for the day, and be on my merry way. However, today I noticed that there is a new feature here, and you guys know that I love new features on Trading 212. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the finally delivered spending pot on Trading 212 for those of you who have the Trading 212 card. Now, if you don't know, Trading 212 offers a debit card where you can use the uninvested cash that you have on the Trading 212 platform to spend basically anywhere that accepts MasterCard, which is pretty much anywhere where cards are accepted. And the benefit to this is that, they have so many features, for example, investing spare change that I've gone through in a separate video, and also very importantly, cashback. As you can see, you get currently 0.5% cashback on every eligible purchase, and that is actually pretty good. There is a limit of £20 per month, which again, you're going to have to spend lots and lots of money to hit that £20 limit. Once you earn that cashback, you can pretty much use that cashback to invest. So it's a really good system. If you already have Trading 212, just get the card. The fees are very, very minimal. They actually got rid of their foreign exchange fees not too long ago. But even then, I haven't really been using the Trading 212 card since last year, and that is because they did not have spending pots, and finally it's here. I'm going to be going away next week and I'm going to be using the Trading 212 card finally. If you would like to sign up to Trading 212 and receive a free fractional share worth up to £100, all you have to do is to click the link in the description box down below. Alternatively, if you've already signed up to Trading 212 in the past 10 days but haven't received a free share, all you have to do is to click the 3 horizontal line menu over here, scroll all the way down until you see the section use promo code, and in this section just use my code JUBAIR and you should receive a free fractional share. So as you can see, I currently do have £191 in free cash. So the great thing about Trading 212 in its invest account and its stocks ISA is that you do get a very high rate of interest on uninvested cash. Currently it is 4.6%, but of course that is variable depending on when you're watching this video. They also pay out this cash daily, which is amazing. Currently that's 2 pence. However, the catch of course is that most of this cash is put into qualifying money market funds. As you can see here, now there is a more full and detailed breakdown of where the funds are held. For example, Northern Trust, Great British Pound, Goldman Sachs, Insight, and you can check out that for yourself. So that's my main pot. That's all the uninvested cash that will stay in the main pot. I'm very curious to see if pending orders will be taken away from this spare cash. So let's place a limit order for, let's say, £9, just one share, and then review order, send by order. So just as I had suspected, now it takes away from the main pot because now I do have a pending order and that's a reserved cash. But if you go into this menu here, your total cash will still stay £191 for me at the time being. So by clicking main pot, we can see there are a few options here. It allows us to keep different currencies. For example, Great British Pound, United States dollar, euro, and so on and so forth. This is great because I am going to Egypt soon and United States dollar is heavily accepted there. And of course, I'm going to be going to the United States soon because my wife is from there. So it's nice to know that I can spend United States dollar too, and also gain interest for each individual currency too. You can also convert your currency here as usual from pounds to dollars or euros if you wish. And there are also other currencies too. Just going to show all and it will show most of them. So now you can exchange your currencies here. If you, for example, are investing into American companies, then you can actually keep in American dollars when you sell. Bear in mind, if you do convert here, there should be a foreign exchange fee of 0.15%, but spending on the card now has 0 FX fees. You can also move cash from your main pot to your spending pot. So now let me in more detail explain this feature for you guys. So the Trading 212 card spending pot is finally here. I have been waiting for this for nearly a year now, and I can finally use this to spend in my next journey, knowing full well that I will not be spending into my investments and everything is separate. So now, as you can see, there's a main pot and a spending pot for your Trading 212 card. By the way, the card is actually free if you want the virtual card. If you do actually want this version, the hardback one where you can actually spend in store with chip and pin, you are going to have to pay a small fee. I think it was around £5 or £6, so not really that much, but I'd rather prefer to have the physical copy. So there is the main pot like I showed. That's a place for the cash that you want to invest and save, for example, interest on uninvested cash. If you have a reserved order, this will come out to the main pot. Really great to see that. You also now have a spending pot, which is now specific link to your card purchases. So this is how it works. Now, if you want to use your Trading 212 card, all you have to do is to transfer cash from your preferred currency from your main pot to your spending pot. Only the cash in your spending pot can be used when using this card, basically abroad or even in the UK. You can easily move cash from your spending pot to your main pot. Your cash will remain as a single balance in your invest account, but you can organize it basically whenever you want from your main pot to your spending pot. I'm going to actually show you that in a bit so that you guys know how to do it. This is also a mandatory feature, so from April the 28th, this is going to be installed basically on everyone's app. So I'm going to enable this feature right now. So while our spending pot is now enabled, I can now move cash to my spending pot and continue spending with my Trading 212 card. Now, if I press this blue button over here, I can move some cash. So I'm just going to move £10 right now, very small, nice amount everyone can relate with, from my main pot over here, Great British Pounds, to my spending pot over here, £10, and just press confirm. And just like that, the cash has been moved successfully. I have moved £10 from my main pot to my spending pot. So if I go back into the main screen, not only can I see how much my portfolio is dropping by today, I can also now see that I have two pots, the main pot and the spending pot. And if you wanted to, you can easily transfer back. All I have to do is to transfer from the spending pot to my main pot is click the currency, £10 over here, move cash, and then I press the arrow button thing here in the middle. That will go from my spending pot to my main pot. So let's do a £10 transfer and press confirm. And just like that, the cash has been moved back to my main pot. So it really is that simple. When it comes time for me to spend, I'm going to be actually depositing from my bank into my spending pot. And that way I will have full control over, how much I can spend and not go into my investments. There's also cash back to be earned from each purchase. So instead of just paying on my Monzo and not earning any cash back, I can do that. And also any money that I'm not currently using, I can gain basically daily interest on that, providing it makes at least 1p of daily interest a day. Obviously, bear in mind that most of this cash is put into qualifying money market funds. So make sure to check out some of my other videos and I'll see you in the next video.